Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Ubuntu server from 20.04 to 22.04. Some of you may require a higher version of the Ubuntu server, so we'll make this video because I need the higher version of Ubuntu server. So I have found this website. I will put it in the description. Okay, so you need to first back up your data, whatever you have. There's a slight possibility it might erase your data, so just to be safe. Okay, so this is upgradable list. We don't need that command because it's wrong there. So we'll just directly upgrade our machine. This is my machine. Okay, so I have installed pterodactyl on this machine, and let's see if it breaks. This is like a fun video, and this is my pterodactyl panel. Okay, let's see if it survives. So the upgrade is done. Then we'll do a reboot. Okay, the reboot should take around like a minute or less than that. It really depends on your machine and your provider. And then we'll see the release. So by the time the machine starts, we have to wait till the machine starts. And this is the boring part. Finally, the machine has started. Wow. So we'll see the version now. Okay. So the version is 20.04.6. Okay. So now we'll go back to our browser and let's open this port. It's already open, but we'll just see. So we'll do sudo reboot. Okay. Oh, the firewall is not activated. So we need to enable the firewall. As you can see, if your firewall is activated, then it's fine. Mine is not activated, so I will do all the things again. So I will do sudo ufw enable. So it said it's not enabled, right? Yeah, enable. Yes. So I will be running a string of commands also, so that like it doesn't give me issues with the pterodactyl panel. So I'll run those commands too. Okay, and these are done. I'll give everything in the description below. No, nothing to worry about. So sudo allow the stand. We need to run the old commands which failed. Okay, reload. Okay, so we need to check status. Yep, status is fine. And then we need to do this command. So we'll upgrade it from 20 to 22. So it can take a lot of time depending on the machine resources, RAM, CPU, and all those kind of stuff. So you need to do yes, then press enter. You need to press enter here. So yeah, now you need to press yes here also. So you just go on pressing yes so that it installs all the stuff for you. Oh, so now what you need to do is like keep this, okay, and press enter. You also enter and let the machine do its work now. You just sit tight. It's already been like 10 minutes, so this thing is updating. So another 10 minutes maybe. Let's see. So now you need to press is your enter again for the open SSH server. So this is the server where you can connect to the machine, this putty or your terminus. So the software which I'm using is terminus. Okay, so let's see if the pterodactyl works after this upgrade also. And I was looking at it from a different browser and it still works, surprisingly. Damn, this panel is good if you know how to use it. So now we need to press enter again. Okay, again enter. So now you need to press yes. Okay, so that it removes all the unwanted packages. So it is yes, removing all the unwanted packages which we don't need in the new OS. Again you need to press enter. Enter. Yes, and the machine will restart now after this restart. And let me see, you don't need to delete this. If you want, you can delete the firewall record, but I would recommend not to delete it, because why would you like to delete it? So now we have to enable this. Okay, so what we do is copy this. You don't need the D over there in the end because it doesn't allow to do. So this is the command. I was trying it before, and there's nothing in the commented section, so you are good to go. Okay, so this was it for this video. Oh wait, we can check the upgrades for this machine of yours. So we see the machine, which machine it is. So if you don't have this install, you can install it, like just to apt install this command. So we are officially on 22.04. Okay, and let's see the pterodactyl machine if it's working. And yes, it's working. Let's just start the server and see, to be on the safe side. Oh, it's starting. Lol. This is good. Good news. So thank you very much for tuning in, and see you in the next video, and stay safe. Tata. Bye bye.